Hey friends! Searching for the best car spark plug in 2026. These top picks promise superior ignition, engine efficiency, and long-lasting performance for your vehicle. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car spark plugs in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the E3 car spark plug. Packed with proprietary diamond fire technology, this spark plug is purpose-built to push engine performance, efficiency, and reliability to the next level. Enhanced combustion delivers smoother acceleration, increased horsepower, and measurable fuel savings, up to 12% more power and 13% better fuel efficiency in small engines, with equally impressive gains in automotive applications. A more complete fuel burn means fewer emissions, less carbon buildup, and cleaner operation that aligns with today's environmental expectations. Built to last, the corrosion-resistant nickel-plated shell and high-strength ceramic insulator handle extreme temperatures and punishing conditions without flinching. Precise electrode geometry ensures strong, consistent sparks, quicker startups, and responsive throttle control for a noticeably better drive every time. What really sets this plug apart is its confidence-inspiring warranty, a full 5-year per 100,000-mile limited coverage that backs every claim made about its performance. For drivers who want reliability, efficiency, and cleaner power across a wide range of vehicles, this is a compelling upgrade worth every penny. Next up, our second product, the ACDelco car spark plug. Trusted by engineers and everyday drivers alike, the ACDelco Iridium spark plug is built around fine-wire iridium electrodes that deliver outstanding engine idle stability, silky smooth acceleration, and dependable cold starts in any weather. The intelligent iridium design actively burns away carbon deposits as they form, keeping the plug clean and maintaining optimal engine efficiency across thousands of miles of use. A one-piece suppressor seal does double duty, blocking radio frequency interference that could disrupt vehicle electronics, while precisely controlling spark energy to extend electrode life and prevent combustion leakage. Designed, engineered, and tested against rigorous GM original equipment standards, these plugs consistently meet or exceed OE performance requirements for long-term durability you can count on. Many ACDelco GM OE parts are manufactured to the same exacting standards as GM genuine parts, offering the kind of quality that inspires real confidence. From smoother idle to sharper ignition response, these spark plugs represent a smart, reliable choice for maintaining peak engine health over the long haul. Coming in at number 3, the GPM MWPG car spark plug. Precision engineered to meet or exceed original factory specifications, the GPM MWPG spark plug set arrives as a complete 6-piece replacement kit ready to restore your engine to peak condition. These plugs are compatible with an impressive lineup of European vehicles, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, and Volvo models spanning engines from 2.5 LL6 to 4.4 LV8, covering popular platforms like the BMW 323i, 330i, Z4, M3, Audi A4, A6 Quattro, S4 and S6, Volkswagen Passat and Golf, and Volvo S60, V70, and S80. Superior materials translate directly into better fuel efficiency, optimized combustion, and reduced misfires for smoother acceleration and improved overall engine response. The OE faithful design ensures straightforward installation with no modifications required, delivering consistent and reliable performance from the very first start. Every plug contributes to better throttle response, lower emissions, and extended engine life over time. Before purchasing, use the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool to verify compatibility with your specific year, make, model, and engine size for a guaranteed perfect match. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the BDF-HYK car spark plug. Versatility and precision come together in the BDF-HYK spark plug, a high-performance iridium option compatible with a broad range of vehicles, including the Acura Integra, Audi A4, BMW 318i/318is/318Ti, Chevy Aveo, Chrysler Neon, Dodge Stratus, Honda Civic, Hyundai Scoop, Kia Rio, and many more. Ultrafine iridium electrodes are at the heart of what makes these plugs special, enabling faster and more sensitive ignition jumps that meaningfully improve engine power and overall responsiveness. High-density ceramic insulators add another layer of reliability, delivering excellent strength, insulation, and durability that holds up under the most demanding operating conditions. Manufactured to strict OE standards and TS 16949 certified, these plugs meet the kind of quality and durability requirements that serious drivers expect from a long-lasting replacement solution. Compatible with part numbers BKR6EGP and 7092, installation is simple and integration is seamless. Every plug arrives 100% new, crafted with precision and built to deliver genuine OE-level performance from day one. Always confirm compatibility with your vehicle's year, make, and model before placing your order. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Compact Car Spark Plug. Engineered with the performance enthusiast firmly in mind, the double Iridium 9 spark plug brings together cutting-edge technology and serious durability in one impressive package. Double Iridium tips deliver extreme ignitability and sharper throttle response, making acceleration feel noticeably smoother and more immediate in everyday driving situations. The advanced design actively prevents flameout, keeping engines running at their best while simultaneously reducing fuel consumption, a winning combination of performance and economy that benefits all types of riders. The fine iridium alloy tip features a high melting point that ensures a stable, long-lasting spark even under the intense demands of modern high-performance engines running at elevated RPMs. Trivalent metal plating takes things further, boosting acceleration, fuel efficiency, and overall longevity by combining sophisticated engineering with genuine real-world reliability. Compatible with DCPR7EX number 3144, these plugs fit a wide range of motorcycles including Harley-Davidson Twin Cam, 1999 to 2016, XL Sportster 883/1200, 1986, present, Dyna Super Glide 2000, Ultra, and Suzuki Boulevard models. Each order includes 2 plugs, backed by a 12-month warranty and dedicated customer support for complete peace of mind. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.